Hi, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm excited today because I'm going to be telling you all about the group coaching. What's it all about? How is it going to work for you? A lot of people have said they're interested, so a lot will either be interested or not be interested once they find out what it's all about. First, I want to tell you I have a gripe about large groups. I've been in them. I've done everything. At my age, I've done everything. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. Large groups didn't work for me. Maybe they worked for a lot of people, but they didn't work for me. Why? Because I got lost. I got lost in the group. I'm not one that would stand up and just spout off and take all the time. I'm not. I'm the one that sits back and absorb. And I bet you are like that as well. So what does this group going to include? Well, maybe I should say who it's not for. It's not for those that are, this is a hobby and I just want to see what the group is about. This group I want to be for serious artists. Does that mean that you have to already be good? No. What it means is that you want to be good and you need help, that you're serious, that you want to be the best that you can be because that's what you came here to be. This is more than a hobby. This is something that feeds your soul. This is something that you have to do because that's how I am. This is my life and I love it. And I feel that we're the luckiest people in the entire world because of what we do. We get to do many things. We get to see things that other people don't get to see. We also get to embarrass our friends when we pick up bubblegum wrappers off the street and say, oh, that's perfect for my collage. But seriously, this is for those that are interested. And how it's going to work is that we will meet twice a month, of which I will give you the dates in just a minute. We will meet twice a month for an hour to an hour and a half. During this time, we will look at work that you've done. There may be assignments, because I think that's kind of fun. Not all the time, but there will be assignments on some. We're going to look at the work, and I want you to show work that you need help with. Because this way we get to say, this is fabulous, this is where your weak point is. Do this, this, or this. This is what counts. And you, as an observer of this other person's art, you're going to learn so much. Why? Because I want you to participate in the critique. Now, what's critique about? Critique is about looking and thinking, what would I do? But we do it in a very honest, but very fair and polite and caring thoughts. That's what a good critique is. It's not criticizing. It's helping. Then we'll also talk about things that are important, like, hey, my mojo went somewhere. I bet she's on a vacation on an island somewhere, sitting by the ocean, having a Bloody Mary. And she didn't bother to take me, of course. She left me here, and I have no idea what to paint, how to paint. My mojo's gone. What do I do? Or you're in the middle of a painting and it gets to that stage, which I call the teenage stage, and you haven't a clue what to do. So what do you do when you don't know what to do? How do you start a painting? How do you mix the colors? How do you do all these things? All these things we're going to talk about. It's going to be so informative and so great. At least I think it is. Because I am making this because this is something that I wish I had. and I didn't have. This is the important part. I want people that are wanting to grow to be their very best, what they came here to do, as I've said. So this is really important. Let me know. If you've got questions, I want to make sure that you have answers. I bet we're going to have the best people in these groups ever. And the thing about this, when it's small and intimate, you become friends. You have friends that are from everywhere that you would have never met. So anyway, let me know. I know this is kind of long, but this is a commitment. And this is a commitment that you need to make to yourself, for yourself, because you do it for others. You do it for everybody else, but now it's time for you. So anyway, I love you. Email me and we'll set up a time to talk if you've got questions. Take care.